Good morning students. Welcome to VBPS e-learning class. Students, I hope you are fine and stay safe at your home. Now students, this is your maths period. Myself is Anubha Agrawal and I am your maths teacher. Students, as you know that we have completed your periodic syllabus, that is chapter 4 fraction and chapter 7 percentage. So students, if you have any doubt or any problem, you can ask me in your WhatsApp class group. Now students, yesterday I told you that today I will take your revision test of chapter 7 percentage. So students, take out your rough copy. You will give revision test on your rough copy. Students, on the top of the page you have to write today's date, that is 7 October 2020, and on the top of the page you will write your name, class, section, subject. After that you will write revision test. So students, let's start your revision test. All the best for your test. Students, this is your revision test paper. Now students, yesterday I told you that today I will take your revision test of fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false, take the correct answer related to chapter 7 percentage. So students, here is your revision test. Now come to question 1, fill in the blanks. Students, you can see here some blanks are given to you and you have to write some word in these blanks. Question 1. We can express a percent as a dash. Question 2. Dash can be expressed in more than one form. Question 3. Dash means per 100. Question 4. To convert a percent into a decimal, divide it by dash. Students, in this question, you will write question 1, fill in the blanks. After that, you will write only answer of these question. You will not copy down the whole question. Now students, come to question 2. Match the following. Students, this is a column A and this is a column B. And you have to match the column A with the column B. Question 1, percent. Question 2, 99% in fractional form. Question 3, 40% in decimal form. Students, this is a column A. 0.40 per 100, 99 by 100. Students, this is a column B. Students, in this question, you have to match the column A with the column B. Now students, in this question, you will write question 2, match the following. After that, you will write column A and the column B. Then you will match the column A with the column B. Students, now come to question 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. Students, you can see here some statements are given to you and you have to tell whether these statements are true or false. Question 1. To convert a fraction into percent, simply multiply the fraction by 100. Question 2. 30% when written as fraction will be 3 by 10. Question 3. 12% when written as decimal will be 12 by 100. Now students, in this question, you will write question 3, State whether the following statements are true or false. After that, you will write only answer of the statement. You will not copy down the whole statement. Now students, come to question 4. Take the correct answer. Question 1. 3 by 6 as a percent is option A 75%, option B 25%, option C 50%. Students, you can see here 3 options are given to you and you have to take the correct answer. Question 2. 45% when written as fraction will be option A 40 by 50, option B 9 by 20, option C 9 by 50. Now students, you can see here 3 options are given to you and you have to take the correct answer. Question 3. 11.8% as a decimal may be written as option A 0.118, option B 1.180, option C 11.800. Students, you can see here 3 options are given to you and you have to take the correct answer. Now students, in this question, you will write question 4, take the correct answer. After that, you will write only answer of this question. You will not copy down the whole question. Students, now start writing your revision test. All the best for your test.